Yep, that's me, running down the stairs in a movie theater in an evening ball gown dress, swinging my arms around to the Little Mermaid. I'm sure you have a lot of questions, and if you want them answered, stick around.
Hey guys, just an update on the dress. I was up last night until about 7 a.m. and maybe even 8 a.m. It was 8 a.m. So today I'm just going to go through and cut the fabric, sew it all together, piece it together, because I will be going to see The Little Mermaid in about 24 hours here at 4 o'clock. It is 2:26. So I'm going to get... Can you see the time? Clear. There we go. It is 2:26, so I'm gonna get started on this dress super soon. As soon as I finish my dress, I'm gonna get started on my hair. Why? Because I can't go to the Little Mermaid with these long French cornrows. Yes, they're cute, but no, they're not giving mermaid. So I'm gonna do one ponytail, one super long ponytail, and I'm loving that. So let's just speed right through this. I'm not gonna show too much of the process of the dress being made. Why? Because I'm gonna show that separately. I want you guys to see a step-by-step. So in this video, again, it is just a vlog. It is just your girl being majorly insane cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs, going to the movie theater as if it was the red carpet, because it is a screening. It's my screening. It's Thursday. It's not Friday. It's not the day it comes out. It's the day before. So in my head, in my delusional head, it's my show. So I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna get started. Okay, bye.
Can I get a yes for the dress? The dress. Look at the back. So I decided not to do a train because I'm just going to the movies. And you know, it's not a red carpet event. I don't want to be too extra. I want it to be just cute enough for like a casual day out. Look at the back. It's so pretty. The front's pretty too. It's not as big and dramatic-y, but it's still pretty. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Just an update on my vlog. I'm finishing up the top. I'm adding a lining. I'm going to connect it to the skirt, add the straps and the ring so that I can lace it through. And when I say I'm tired, I'm ready to get to tomorrow. I'm ready to just have fun. I'll be waking up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Yes, y'all, I said 8 a.m. just to go to the movies at 4 because I need to do my hair. I'm going to take my braids out tonight. I have these braids in and I'm going to take them out tonight, wash my hair tonight, blow dry my hair tonight. And then in the morning, it'll just be ready to wake up and put in a long extended braided ponytail. Because I think that's much more Princess Mermaid-y than just this good old cornrows. It is 1:06 a.m. and it's time for me to take my hair out and cook some dinner. I'm gonna make sure that I show y'all the food because I'm making Thai food and it's the best. So tomorrow is the actual day. It's the big day of the Little Mermaid premiere. I can't wait. I hope you love my dress. Based off all these vegetables, you probably think I'm about to make the Thai food like, I said I was, but it just didn't work out. So I'm making chicken Alfredo, and it's actually delicious. Listen, truthfully, honestly, taking out your braids might be the best part of having braids. Anywho, I'm ready to go to bed and get some sleep because tomorrow's going to be a long day. 8 hours before the Little Mermaid starts. Woo, look at this fro. It's growing. It's so cute. Okay, I'm about to do a braided ponytail. I just found this and I'm obsessed with it. So I'm going to use this to lay my head. And then I'm going to use 2 packs of this. Because I want to extend a ponytail. And now, we're just going to put this into a ponytail like waves. Let's put this into a ponytail. Let's put this in a ponytail. This needs to be in a ponytail. So first I'm gonna go like these, and I'm gonna go like these, and I'm gonna go like these. Okay. First I'm gonna pour it. And I wanna start with the middle. So I'm going to make a little circle. I'm almost done. Little Mermaid is in less than an hour. Let's put these lashes on. I'm trying to do some little blue on my eye. So yeah.
All right, this is it. We are headed to go see the Little Mermaid. It started at 4 and it's 4:05 and my watch is backwards. But we're almost there. I'm so excited. Look at my dad. He's so cute, y'all. He's so fun. He dressed up like me with me. So I'm not by myself in this. Not that I would care anyways.
What to do, guys? We're trying to rush to get there a little bit.
You see
Don't
how
she
he
look
peeked
beautiful?
at me? He said it's her fault.
No, it's not.
Is my eyeshadow cute? I was rushing. I did my makeup in like what, an hour maybe? It's pretty good to do a full face and color. So yes guys, I'm feeling like the Little Mermaid's friend and not like the Little Mermaid because that's Hallie. She can have that. I want her to have that. Is it Haley or Hallie? I always forget. I think it's Haley. Haley Bailey. Chloe Bailey. Hallie Bailey. No, it's Hallie. We're walking in. It's Hallie. It is 4:18. The movie starts at 4:20. We're walking in. I play entirely too much. It is 4:18. The movie starts at 4:20. I play entirely too much.
dangerous waters. This is a dangerous time. Tonight's the coral moon. They say this is when the Sea King calls his...
Well, doesn't this look familiar? If this is your second time seeing this in the video, that means that you've watched from the very beginning, and I owe you a huge thank you. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe so that we can grow our family and they can see me do more silly things like this. What even is that? I don't know. It looks like the muses from Hercules. But anywho, I really enjoyed this process, making the dress, doing my hair, my makeup, and sharing it all with you guys. I hope you either learned something or laughed at least once. After this, we're gonna head to Dave & Buster's because it's time for a turn up. This mermaid finally made it out of the sea, and as you can see, she has feet. So let's go play games, specifically Mario Kart, because I want to drive. See ya! Let's get to it. Okay, so let's talk about this movie. The Little Mermaid was amazing. I literally gave it an 88 out of 10 because they showed out. Halle showed out. Her voice is so impeccable. I really enjoyed the romance of it. I don't know what was different between this, the live action, and the cartoon, but I was rooting for Eric and I was not messing with Ursula. My favorite part is when she got her voice back, because sometimes in life you can't let anybody steal your voice. Is literally who you are, and there's a deeper meaning to the Little Mermaid. It's so much more than just a girl leaving her life and her family for a guy, okay? What's up? I found this. This is cute. Really quickly, before we get into Dave & Buster's, I just wanted to touch on the fact that something that really encouraged me to make this dress was the fact that Halle is one of the people influencing and creating black spaces for black women. And I'm all for that. I support it 100%, and I'll put on my best dress and show out and show up. Because at the end of the day, when I look in the mirror, I see a girl that looks like her and me. Chicken wings, bone-in buffalo oil flats with some ranch and celery on the side. Straight like that. You gotta tell them when you order chicken wings, straight like that. What you getting? I'm ready to eat, so this is fast. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Look at that. These chicken wings were so good. It surprised me. I ate them so fast. I really didn't expect them to be that good because I'm picky about chicken wings.
Mario has picked up the pace. Mario, just
It's Mario was hit by a golden shell. Mario shoots an item. Mario is catching up. Mario is looking for a challenge. Mario a plant. The top group is going into the last corner. It's impossible to see who will win. That's it. The winner is Mario. With a big lead ahead of second place.
That's how you walk into a day of us. Oh, now. Trying to finish my wings. Alright, aphrodisiacs, that is all for tonight. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to be posting a tutorial on how to make that mermaid dress super soon. Please make sure you do comment and tell me how much you absolutely loved the Little Mermaid movie, because I'm giving it a whole 88 out of 10. I'm like going to watch it again probably 2 or 3 more times. With my sister, with my mom, probably with him again. He might not want to, but I'm going to do it anyways. It was so good. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Welcome to the fam. You're officially family now. Until next time, good night.